I manifested a role in CID? Oh my god, this is the question that I have been getting over and over again in my comments, in my DM, everywhere, guys. I did not know that CID was such a big deal. Of course, it is, but being in the acting industry, I did not know that it would be such a big deal and it would be so much hyped, so much celebrated. So here I am. I want to tell you what exactly I did to get a role in CID, how I manifested it, how things worked, and how I got there and got a chance to work with the amazing CID team. So I expect you to watch the video till the end, and I'm sure this will help you as well in your manifest. So, firstly, I'm not a very strong believer of manifestation, or I don't do manifestation as a ritual ki tarah every day that I have to write so many times, I have to do this and that. I'm a very free, effortless, happy go lucky manifester, and that is what I believe about myself. So, yes, I was acting. I am in the acting industry for 3 years now. And yes, I was doing a few shows and I got to know that CID is coming back. And I was thrilled. I was very excited because obviously, yaar, everybody wants to be a part of something so big. And I remember when I got to know that CID is coming back, I had this wish in my heart that, I also want to be a part of this show. But, in our acting industry, things happen in Sumri. Sumri means you will not be able to see a door for everything every time. So that time when it was happening, the shoots were going on, the casting was happening. I did not have any clue कि किसके थ्रू मैं जाऊं, किधर ऑडिशन दूं, कैसे करूं. And I was still holding on to the wish and shooting for other projects. Okay, so the wish did not die. I also asked help from a couple of my friends who were in the CID team 10-15 years back, but they could also not help me. But I did not give up. I said, okay, just let me hold on to the wish. So what I do is I hold on to a wish with a very pure intention, a desire, place it in my heart, and I'm like, I really wish to do this or have this, and it will be so amazing if I could have this or do this. And I just let it go. I just forget about it. So after that, after holding that wish in my heart, I was just doing my regular work, my office work, my shoots, everything, and just watching some of the episodes also. And you will not believe, after I think 1.5 months or 2 months, I got a message out of the blue from a casting coordinator where he told me this is the role, this is the budget, and we want to cast you for this. And I was like, okay, but what is the show about? He said, it is CID. I was like, what? Oh my god! Are you serious? I was like, oh my god. Okay, they did offer me slightly less budget, but because it was CID, I said yes. I did not even think twice. I did not even inquire much what the role is going to be. What am I going to be doing? I just went all in for it. And after that, what happened? After that, I got to know that the casting guy is one of my friends who I had lost contacts with, and his name was also Krishna. Then he said, okay, this is your budget. I'm going to increase your budget. So he also increased my budget. And surprisingly, everything worked out for me. I was on the set of CID and I had a very good part to play. I was one of the suspects, but I was positive. I did not do any crimes, but I had a good screen presence. I had good dialogues, and I can't tell you, the moment I saw everybody, the entire CID team, I was blown, I was mesmerized, I was having such a fangirl moment, guys. I can't tell you. I cannot express that feeling in words because it was crazy. I can't explain seriously. The moment I saw ACP Pradyuman, Shivaji Sattam sir, I was like this. So he was not present on the first day of shoot. On the first day of shoot, I could see Daya, Abhijit, and the other teammates, and I was mesmerized. We were just constantly looking at them, all of us looking at each other and looking at them, and what a moment it was to get to shake hands with them and of them being around us. I was completely blown. Like मेरा दिमाग बिल्कुल क्या बोलूं मैं. I was like spellbounded. I was having a fangirl moment, and it was just very 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 blessed moment for me. And after the shot, I had the courage, I had the guts to go into their room and ask for a photograph, whereas the other people did not do that, I think. And I really had fun shooting with them and having conversations with them. They were really nice people. And on the second day of the shoot, when we were shooting in the office, that is when I met Shivaji Satam sir, and he was more of a gem of a person, and more than the other people, I would say, because he was very welcoming, he was very warm. There was something about his energy, very, very, very loving. Really, really enjoyed the entire moment of the investigation, the interrogation that happened, and I think it was an experience that any actor would want to have, or anybody would want to have. And my manifestation technique was very simple: to have a desire and just hold into your heart. Because, see, honestly, I don't have so much time. I'm not just acting pricey. It's just that I have work, I have my life, I have to manage everything, I have to manage shoots. I don't have so much time to keep writing or thinking about it again and again. I just hold a wish into my heart, and I keep reminding myself about it once or twice a day. And I tell myself, okay, this is what I like to have, this is what I would love to have. ये अगर हो जाता तो अच्छा होता. And that is how things come to me naturally. And it was one of the most amazing moments of my life. And yeah, I think manifestation is very easy. We overcomplicate it with so many rituals, so many practices, this and that, positive energy, negative energy, yeah, all of that matters. But I feel if you hold on to something, and if you write it down, so writing is something that you can incorporate, not writing every day, but whenever a thought comes, you just write it down, okay, maybe in a sticky note or maybe on a piece of paper, and just put it on your table. Just stick it in front of you and just keep it in front of you, and imagine it's already done. And that is what I do. And even if you don't imagine that it is done, and if you want it to be done, just look at it with so much love and just appreciate that dream, because it chose you. And it's simple. So these are the two things I do. I don't write a lot, I don't do all the rituals. I do things as and when I want to, because I feel I'm a happy go lucky pro manifester. I don't have to put too much effort into things. So yeah, that's how I manifest. And I think अगर आप भी ऐसे manifest करोगे butterfly की तरह, being happy go lucky, being easy, being in a flow state, तो चीजें खुद आप तक आएंगी, जैसे मेरे तक आ गई. So yeah, that was the story. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be sharing my many of the manifestation journeys and things that have happened with me in the upcoming videos. I hope you love it. I hope you like it. If you like it, share it with your friends and comment में बताओ अगर आपका कोई ऐसा बड़ा manifestation इतने easily पूरा हुआ तो, और ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. अच्छा ही लगा होगा, अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends and help me on my mission to inspire, ignite, transform the lives of 1 million people on this planet. Stay in touch, follow me on my Instagram. Love you all, trust yourself and trust God. Mwah.